Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 407. 50 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. It's been a very tiring day. I just got back from a couple of miles of running, or just jogging really. And now I'm so tired. I want to take a nap, to be honest. But let's see if we can grind this out. Yeah. Still in the morning contest, the bi-weekly, I made some silly mistakes. It cost me 5 minutes and probably a lot of ranking, but hopefully this one will do a little bit better. 20 seconds to go. Yeah. Go. Alright. Hope everyone's doing alright. Oh yeah, and of course the explanation will have his own video, so definitely look out for those. Check it out. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Go. No double park. Another 8-pointer. Between some integers and... Wait, what? Oh. Okay, fine. I don't know why I'm so slow on this one, but just want to be careful, maybe. It just seems so easy to make mistakes. 2, 0, 1, -1. Wow, games in a string. So tired. Any non-empty substring, odd number of rows. Substring, okay. Non-empty, what is n? N is 10 to the 5th. This seems like I have to think about this one, but you don't have to take from the beginning though, right? Why? This is like one of those logical problems that I don't know how to do. I have to think or something. Is this the Q2? Okay, so Alice goes first. If the odd number of rows then she just wins, right? Because she just take the entire string. I think that's basically the idea. Right, so okay, so if Alice is odd, so this odd, yeah, this is just a confusing game. This is lying. So if it's odd, then she just takes all of them and then wins. If not, if it's even, then what? If it's odd, then we return Alice, right? Oh, return true for Alice. Yeah. If there are no rows, then it's false, because you just can't play even the first turn. But otherwise, if there's odd, okay, what if they're even numbers? Even numbers, that's a little bit more confusing. If they're even numbers, let's say it's just Leetcode, then should try to take 1. So then there will be even number left, and then Bob will try to take an even number of wows, which doesn't change the fact that there will still be 1 wows left. So then after that, Alice wins. Right? This is so like, I can't trust this. So it's just like this is such a troll problem, because if it's odd, or if it is even, takes an odd, Bob will always have at least 1 number. Okay, fine. I hate you, Leetcode. I hate this Leetcode. What a problem. This is like that thing where yeah, all the answers are B or something, you know. That is silly. Okay, fine. Focus. Keep going. 2 people already got this one, so focus. Binary string S. Choose any index I from the string. So you have 1 and a 0. Move the character I to the right until you reach to another 1. Okay. Hmm. 21 people got it. I mean, I could see that, but so n can be, so the solution can be n squared. Really? No? That's surprising, actually. So in this particular case, 1, let's say we do it the other way. What happens? How are people so fast today? Okay, so that's it. 1, 2, and then that's just 3. So you definitely want to move the order zeros first. Huh. I'm just not thinking about it. This one is whatever, so we could remove it. Okay, so we look to the right, we just remove this. Okay, so this 0, what does this 0 mean? That means that the 3 things to the left, so that's 3 moves. All these zeros are 1 to the left, so okay. So okay, yeah, because 0 buys another gap. We don't care that there are 2 zeros, so that's fine. So then okay. How do I do it? Okay, fine. Total is 0, 0. Still feels like it's n squared though, right? Why is this not? Is there a mod that I forget? No? I'm so confused, but okay, fine. And also, am I actually right? One just something like total 1, right? Something like that, but and I plus 1 is equal to n, or I plus 1 is equal to 1, right? But again, well, that's not right. This is 4. We see a 0. This should be 2. Oh, I forget to subtract. That's right. Is this right? Why is this not n squared? 1 0 1 0 1 0, right? So why not? I'm so confused. Times I don't know. So this is definitely, so that doesn't pass the smell test. No, that's just a billion, Larry. Okay, fine. Maybe I just suck at math. Yeah, I just suck at math. Wow, 12 people got it already. I am very slow today. Okay. Nums and target same length. This feels familiar, but okay. Sub-array of nums and increment and decrement. Okay. I guess is this a known problem? I guess so. People are finishing it so fast. I mean, it's been only 10 minutes. Is this segment tree or something funky? Okay, I mean this is just incremental, but this, for example, how do I choose how far to go? So, okay, so we always, let's say we always pick the first number. How far do we choose to want to go? Is it dp? Is it ChatGPT? Yeah. Okay, so we can, okay, let's say we have a delta array, right? That's probably easier to handle. Okay, so delta is equal to okay. Maybe that shows me something. Maybe. Okay, so how do I minimize this? This is 5. Right, that's what they said was 5. I mean, some of this is clearly a good enough move. My question is like, how do you handle? Okay, let's say we. When would you do it in the other direction? Would you ever do it in the other direction? Because then now you're subtracting it anyway. Let's say you add 5. No, because then you have to subtract it anyway. So you always want to, right? Because if you have, say, I don't know, it doesn't matter. You have someone like this, Oh, well, maybe there's just -1 or something. Please, can these be negative numbers? Nope. Okay, well, whatever. Oops, I forgot that these cannot be negative numbers. What am I doing now? So here, do I want to add 1? Okay, but let's say I have more. So then now I add 1 and then subtract 1 to get back, right? But which is the same as doing this one and then this one, but that doesn't even. So okay, so that makes sense. So then now, oh, you can decompose them is my point. Because even if you have something like this, I'm taking too much time, but that's fine, I guess. Just get it right, don't make mistakes. Because even like this, then you have to subtract 2 from here anyway, which is the same as doing 1 here and 1 here. So that means that we can decompose it. It's okay to just take the entire thing and break it up. I don't know, but that doesn't seem like an 8, but a lot of people are getting it, so I don't know if, I shouldn't have deleted that, but like if I just do a linear thing, does that make sense? Now let's just get the YOLO penalty. Maybe it's fine. A lot of people are getting it. Oh. Okay, so then now we have 2 things we can do, which is we can either increment let me just set out I. Okay, we can either increment or start from 0, right? So then now total will be added by the difference or we start by 0, which is delta sub I. The min is not whatever, this is absolute value. I don't know. I don't think this is right, but I'm just going to YOLO submit it because I feel like the decomposition thing makes sense, but give me a wrong answer. Okay, there we go. Now we could actually have an idea about how to do this. I don't have any idea. People got it, but I don't know. 25, I put 20. Oh no, I put 25. Expected is 20. So okay, so it's 25 because so we don't do anything. We have 25. Okay, how do we do 20? Maybe do it before this. Okay, so the cone is 0, so the for the 3, that's 3. What is the way to do 20 from here? I mean, okay, so this is okay, so that I see, maybe I can, this is just -3 and then you just adjust, but is that really true? So this is 3, this is 9 in total, so that's 12. What is the answer for this? Which is the last 4 elements, or not including the 4 elements. I thought this decomposes, but I guess I was wrong. Okay, so I have 13 plus 12. So okay, so is this supposed to be 13? I don't know. Let's say this is -3. I think I made some error here. Let's say I do a -3. So then now that's 3 moves, and then it's +2, +2, 0, +1, and then +1, which is going to be 4, 5, 6, 3 is 9, and maybe it's still not right, but it's still way less. Right? 3 plus 2, yeah, that seems right. Okay, so that means that my idea is just really wrong, which I wasn't really confident about. That just looked too weird, but a lot of people are getting this one though. I don't know what I'm missing. I mean, it's an 8-pointer, but the reason is because I do 3 and then and I cut it off. Oh, okay. So is it just a DP on cutting it off and not cutting it off? No, but then it can be anything, right? So this is 4, but this is -3, not cut off, right? So then now, if we n square, we do something funky like that, but I don't get it. Okay, so we have to do the first item, so that's like kind of forced, and then it's just about how far it goes, and in theory that's like an n squared dp, but how would that dp look if we are able to do it cheaper? Can I do an O of n dp, n log n dp? So the max is So you have this, you sum up. You sum up all of this max over and total is fine. It's just a sum, right? Sum over whatever, but man, wow, a lot of people are getting it. And I have 5-minute penalty. Okay, so let's say this is DP. Maybe it is DP. Maybe I was just a little bit. Oh, and I refreshed. I lost my test case. I have half of it. That's not good. That's actually really not good, to be honest. Like, they should have a way to give it to you again. But okay, fine. I mean, I have the answer. Or the whatchamacallit anyway. Which is whatever. So, and this is going to be 3222011, something like that. I don't know the actual array, but that's the thing. Huh. Can that have zeros? That's really weird. What, did I not have zeros earlier? This is so annoying. Alright, well. I think I meant it the other way, but okay, fine. This is still very awkward, but okay, fine. So, okay. So this gives me 5. Is that right? No, I think this is 5, 1, 13, either 14 and 12 or something like this. So the answer should be, I don't know. It's not 11 though. But wow. Okay, so maybe it is DP. So then now okay, so now it is just going to be this plus delta sub I. So okay, so we set the rest. It's binary. It's segment tree. We just have to kind of update everything in a funky way. Maybe. Give pipeline check segment tree with range updates, please. Okay, fine. Okay, update range. Okay, fine. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave the comments here. Okay. Okay, so then now, okay. So we want to update the rest of the tree with delta sub I, right? Maybe from I plus 1 to n plus 1 or n plus 1. By adding so the total cost okay, so right. I forgot this technique. It's just not stuck in my head in a moment. Okay, focus. The sum of that chunk, right? And the size of that rectangle is just what am I doing? Am I even on the right idea? People, well, these are all the top people though, so. A lot of people are getting it. I'm just. Am I doing correctly with the segment tree? So we max over that amount plus the next item, right? And this should be like 9 or something. So in this case it'll be -3. That the sum of this, that's the number of operations we have to do if we do this, right? So the sum minus whatever, but it's not even that, right? Yeah, I have no idea how to solve this. Today's just not a bright day. You have to do one. Okay. Maybe we don't need a segment tree. I don't know anymore. I'm trying to work the DP into it. I'm clear number. But okay, let's say. Okay, so this has to. We have to do this -3. How do we determine what's the best way to extend it? If we had dynamic programming, it would have been. Let's just write the n squared dp. Right, and then maybe I'm just thinking in my head a little bit weird. Okay, fine. Right. Right. No, I want to do it the other way. Right, so then now dp sub I. Right. Okay. Right. So okay, so this is the average, right? So then it is going to be count, right? So count is equal to okay, and then now is this I plus 1? Maybe it's I plus 2. Yeah. I think this is right. Okay, fine. But it is too slow. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay, maybe not, because this is not 2. I wonder how this gets 4. Oh, maybe this is N plus 1. No, this is J is j plus 1, I think. Okay, I can't even get this right, so, alright. Okay, so for example, this is 3. Oh man, I'm just struggling today. Okay, so this is -1. Why is this 7 and not 9? Oh, no, this is right-ish. Okay, so 2 is right. This is not right. This is not 6. Well, so it sets -4, but so it's either, okay, so 6 maybe is. No, then you stop, right? So maybe I'm just misunderstanding something here. Like this is not a good recurrence. So okay, so -4, we do -2. So it only does 4 because we stop after -2, right? How do you handle that? Okay, so this is smaller, so we don't have to care about it as much, right? This is smaller. Do I cut it off that way? Is that maybe why? So if I do that's a decomposition as well. But I don't know if I'm just a little bit lucky with the decomposition. I don't. Maybe my math was right and I just kind of did it stupidly. What was this? That doesn't seem right. 4. I need this case. It's -3 and then now okay, so it goes to -5, which is fine, we increment. And -1, that means that we stopped, right? So we actually, yeah, that's maybe, okay. Delta, if current is less than 0 and current is I don't know if this is like even a reasonable idea. If this is greater than delta, then we add this thing, right? Okay, so if they're both negative, then, and this is a bigger negative, then we just keep going. Otherwise, if it's a smaller negative, then current we just stop, so it just equal to delta. This is also true actually, but else if this is the opposite, I guess. That's not all the cases, right? If you have from -3 to +2, say, what does that mean? So you go from negative to positive, so you definitely just stop, right? So then, and you probably stop even more, so then now we add delta sub I, absolute value of it. And if one of them is 0, then we just stop anyway, right? So then we just set sub I, and nothing needs to happen. Well, that's very well. So, okay, why? Negative. Okay, so this is. So to begin with, current is 0. So then, oh yeah. Oh, if current is 0, then it's different than if delta is 0. Then we set that. Else, if current is 0, then we set it to this. But we also yeah, 2, 5 is right. Is 8 right for this one? I thought it was 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. No, this is 4 moves. Oh wait, it's not 4 moves because this is just okay. So that's 2 moves or 3 moves. 2 more moves, so that's 5. We don't care. So then now this is yeah, and then this is -1, so then that's 5, that's 7. 6. Wait, what? So, okay. Is this right? I don't know. I don't know what the right answer is for this one. Okay, so you extend this. Okay. Right, so here is 3, 5. So this is 5. This is 3. And let's just say 6, 6, 7, and 8. I think that's 8 is right. Alright, YOLO submit. That is just a silly mistake. Where do I have that? How did I thought I fixed it and I still have it, and I still gonna get another wrong answer. Wow. I actually did have this. I mean, so I guess I had the right idea, but I just couldn't believe that that was right. I guess the proof was just hard. I thought that's what I mean. That was my first instinct, but I just kind of went away from it because I don't know why is this an 8-pointer. This, I think that's the part that I think I got fooled by the 8-pointer, honestly, because I had the idea. So I mean I'm so unhappy. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's not a big deal. And the one time error obviously is even sillier. But I had to answer 30 minutes ago. But I just kind of, I didn't go through all the cases, but I just kind of YOLO trying to see what the wrong answer would be. But and I have a typo because there's just so many places to typo. That's just silly. I should have just wrote like, and it doesn't even matter. It should have been like for x in nums, and then I wouldn't have. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. That's kind of crazy. I guess I just gotta trust myself more. Yeah, I mean, yeah, not super happy about it, I guess. Because if I was able to do this half an hour ago, in about 18 minutes, I mean, that would have been actually like top 25. That would actually have been very, very good. But I guess just I just, I mean, I don't know if this is, maybe it updates a little bit, but I just don't trust myself. I just didn't trust myself on this one, I think. Yeah. The idea is just greedy and everything kind of flows through. This is gonna tank like a beast, especially since I got another 10 minutes. So this is definitely not. Oh, maybe it is updated. I don't know, but I still got 10 minutes of penalty, so that's not great. What's that? 58. Ah, man, yeah, this is gonna be a pretty big drop. I think I got. I mean, I honestly got fooled by the 8-pointer. If it was like a regular 6-pointer, I would have maybe. And this was also just too low effort. I didn't go. This didn't make sense for all the cases. And I think the thing that really made me see why this was wrong is because of this one. Because I actually wrote it in my thing. I misunderstood how to solve it. Because for this one, I thought that you would do a -2 and then start over, but actually I forgot that you can actually go through. I hate this. I mean, it's fine. It's not a big deal. But I don't know. I guess the confusing part is that I just don't get why it's an 8-pointer. And one of the wrong answers is just also silly because I just had a literal typo in one of these examples that just didn't get caught. But oh well. I mean, this was kind of a. To be honest, this was kind of a really weird contest. I feel like this is one of those contests where they try to like fool you more than problem solving. Um, oh yeah, like well, not the Q one, but every problem on this contest is proofs, so it's just all math in a way. And I don't know, it's a little bit weird in that regard. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not used to doing code 4C problems, because these are pretty code 4C problems in that they like, you know. This one I guess I should have trusted my gut. My initial intuition was right, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I thought this was enough. Not this one. Nope, not this one either. In case you're wondering, I'm just trying to do like a post-mortem here mentally, and like I'm trying to figure out why this is why I thought this was enough. I mean, the idea is the same. It's just that I think I just didn't think about the trailing bits enough. I definitely missed one edge case idea, which, to be honest, I kind of rushed this one, expecting it to be incorrect, so that I could get a thing. But in a weird way, that wrong answer actually verified the edge case that I was looking for. So actually, that was a very good 5-minute penalty if I had used it correctly. But I didn't end up using it correctly and end up taking it too long. So I don't know. I think yeah, I think this problem is just like mind games. This contest is just mind games. There's no like real problem in this contest except for mind games, which is kind of weird. But it is what it is. Alright, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.